The YESWELDER 135 amp Flux Core MIG welder is a versatile 3-in-1 machine that supports Flux Core MIG, stick, and Lift TIG welding, accommodating various welding needs with ease. With an impressive output of 135 amperes, this welder can handle mild steel up to 2/5 of an inch thick, providing robust performance for different projects. Its intuitive synergic control system automatically adjusts the voltage based on the wire feeding speed, offering both beginners and experts precise and efficient welding operations. The digital display enhances the user experience by providing real-time current monitoring, ensuring precise control during welding tasks. Despite its powerful capabilities, the welder is lightweight and portable, weighing only 11.4 pounds, making it ideal for mobile welding projects. The included LYG L600A welding helmet offers excellent eye protection with its blue light blocking technology and fast auto-darkening feature, ensuring safety and comfort for prolonged welding sessions.